Hi guys, if you want to enable dark mode on Instagram, something like this, then let's see how to do it. So for that, open your Instagram. Now here, tap on your profile icon and then tap on this 3 horizontal line. Now scroll down and here you will see this option, accessibility and translation. Simply tap on it. And now here you will see the dark mode option. Simply tap on it. Now here simply turn it on. Once you turn it on, now you will be able to use Instagram in the dark mode. So let's check. Go to your profile. You can see everything is in the dark mode now. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily enable dark mode on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.